Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this episode is a little bit special that I'm not going to replace the printhead. Most of the users see the following error message. They thought they're going to change the printhead. But today I'm going to make something special by service the Purge unit for this machine. This method maybe is work for you or maybe not. If you are a success, congratulations. After unscrew the thing, you can move the printhead. Okay, the reason is we move to here, we want to remove the Purge unit. Let's do it.
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Just now I missed the wire connection here, so I already connect back. That's why I received the error, but now it's okay. The good news is I don't need to replace the printhead, it's functioning back. Just the problem, I don't have the cyan NBK and the BK ink. After replace the ink, I can print as usual. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you do like this kind of video, please leave us a thumbs up, like and subscribe our channel. A subscription is the big motivation for me to move further. Okay guys, see you in next video.